Hello friends, welcome to DDR Academy. Today I have included multiple choice questions of topic defense mechanisms in the subject psychology. So the topic is defense mechanisms. So let me start. First question. Unconscious process in which client blocks undesirable and unacceptable thoughts is termed as. Unconscious process in which client blocks undesirable and unacceptable thoughts is termed as. Options: repression, suppression, sublimation, denial. Here the right answer is repression. So repression means the unwanted idea or feeling is not allowed in reaching the consciousness. Unwanted feelings are not allowed in reaching consciousness is known as repression. So it is the unconscious forgetting of distressing memories. Example, memories of sexual abuse in childhood. Okay, so the person tries to forget these distressing memories, but it is an unconscious process. So repression is a primary defense mechanism. Repression is considered as a primary defense mechanism. Here the answer is repression. Now we move on to the second question. Avoidance of an unacceptable reality is. Avoidance of an unacceptable reality is. Options: splitting, projection, avoiding, denial. Here the right answer is denial. So denial means not accepting that a loss has occurred. Okay, or there is a reality of the situation, but the person is refusing to accept the reality of a situation. That is denial. Third question. An adult shows childhood behavior during the late stage of illness. Here he is adapting with the situation. Options: repression, sublimation, regression, attention seeking. Here an adult shows childhood behavior during the late stage of illness. The right answer is regression. So regression means avoidance of the present difficulties by a reversion to an earlier, less mature way of dealing the situation. Okay, the present difficulties are the person is avoiding the present difficulties by reverting to a less mature way of behavior in order to deal that situation. Another example we can show is a toilet trained child. A toilet trained child becomes incontinent following the birth of a sibling. So the person is trying to avoid that difficulty, that is the birth of a sibling, by showing the incontinency, urinary incontinence and all, though the child is already a toilet trained person. So likewise, avoiding the present difficulties by reverting to an earlier, less mature way of behavior is known as regression. Next is the fourth question. Covering up a weakness by stressing a desirable or stronger trait is. Covering up a weakness by stressing a desirable or stronger trait. Options: compensation, projection, rationalization, dysphoria. Compensation, projection, rationalization, dysphoria. Here the right answer is compensation. So that is the defense against feeling of inferiority and inadequacy. Compensation is a defense against the feelings of inferiority and inadequacy. Example we can tell, that is, unattractive man selects stylish and expensive clothes in order to draw an attention to himself. Okay, unattractive people may wear stylish and expensive clothes in order to get attraction from others. So that is covering up the weakness by stressing a stronger trait. So that is compensation. Next question. Attributing of our own unwanted trait onto another person is. Options: compensation, projection, rationalization, dysphoria. Here the right answer is projection. That is, attributing of our own unwanted trait to another person. Example: the ward manager who is unable to manage the ward effectively may blame on another incompetent staff in many situations. That is, the ward manager may be unable to manage the ward effectively, but in order to cover up that, he is blaming the situation on incompetent staff. So that is attributing of our own unwanted trait onto another person. That is projection. Okay, blaming someone else for how you feel. Next question. Justification of behaviors using reason other than the real reason. Justification of behaviors using reason other than the real reason. Options: compensation, projection, rationalization, dysphoria. Here the right answer is rationalization. So that is also an unconscious process, that is unconscious justification of one's ideas, actions or feelings in order to maintain the self-respect or to prevent the feeling of guilt, or in order to obtain the social approval. The person is making justification of his behavior, that is rationalization. Next question. Draining of the unwanted energy into socially acceptable channels is called. Options: substitution, sublimation, introjection, projection. Draining of unwanted energy into socially acceptable channels. The right answer is sublimation. So that is the unconscious rechanneling of intolerable or socially unacceptable impulses into activities that are personally and socially acceptable. Okay, so the unacceptable impulses and behaviors are rechanneled into a socially acceptable behavior. Example: sports or arts are socially acceptable ways of replacing socially unacceptable impulses. So that is known as sublimation. Next question. An attempt to avoid expressing actual emotions associated with a stressful situation by using the intellectual process of logic, reasoning and analysis is. An attempt to avoid expressing actual emotions associated with a stressful situation by using the intellectual process of logic, reasoning and analysis is. Options: suppression, regression, intellectualization, displacement. Here the right answer is intellectualization. Here the feelings are cut off from the event in which they occur. Example: after an unsuccessful job interview, the person is telling that I didn't really want the job anyway. So likewise, if the person is telling after an unsuccessful, the person already knows that the interview was not successful. So he is telling I didn't really want the job anyway. So that is intellectualization, the attempt to avoid the actual emotions by giving an intellectual process of reasoning, analysis and all. Next question. When the individual is afraid of original goal and avoids the actual failure, he selects a new goal or situation which is easier to attain is known as. Options: regression, substitution, replacement, intellectualization. The answer is substitution. So, substitution is an unconscious replacement of unacceptable impulses, attitude or emotions with those that are more acceptable, replacing unacceptable situations with easier acceptable methods. That is substitution. Next is 10th question. The ego defense mechanism commonly used by patients with OCD, obsessive compulsive disorders. So, the ego defense mechanism commonly used by patients with OCD is. Options: displacement, reaction formation, undoing, projection. Here the right answer is undoing. That is, the individual avoid the conscious awareness of disturbing impulse by thinking or acting in a way to reverse or to take back or undo something we regret. Or we can say it is a neutralizing the unacceptable ideas by compulsive act. Neutralizing the unacceptable ideas by compulsive acts is known as undoing, making something unhappen. So in OCD, the person is trying to neutralize the unacceptable ideas by compulsive acts. So here the defense mechanism used is undoing. 11th question. Patient who is newly diagnosed with cancer frequently use the defense mechanism of displacement, reaction formation, denial, projection. Patient who is newly diagnosed with cancer frequently use the defense mechanism of. Answer is denial, that we have already mentioned, that is refusal to accept the reality of a situation. So here the patient who is diagnosed with cancer is not ready to accept. First they will be showing the defense mechanism of denial. 12th question. A conscious exclusion of distressing memories, thoughts or feelings is known as. A conscious exclusion of distressing memories, thoughts or feelings is known as. Options: repression, suppression, displacement, identification. Answer is suppression. That is, it is the voluntary rejection of unacceptable thoughts or feelings from conscious awareness. So the person is trying to suppress the feelings. So answer is suppression, voluntary rejection of unacceptable thoughts or feelings from conscious awareness. That is a conscious forgetting. That is suppression. Next question. A mechanism designed to reduce the stress and conflict caused by specific experiences is known as. A mechanism designed to reduce stress and conflict caused by specific experiences. Options: immune mechanism, defense mechanism, catharsis mechanism, coping mechanism. Here the right answer is defense mechanism. Defense mechanisms are used to reduce the stress and conflict caused by specific experiences. 14th question. Repression refers to conscious exclusion of bad memories that cause anxiety from mind, unconscious exclusion of bad memories that cause anxiety from mind, diversion of energy into positive and socially acceptable activities, stopping bad thoughts from memory. Here the right answer is unconscious exclusion of bad memories that cause anxiety from mind. So repression refers to unconscious exclusion of bad memories. Okay, it is the primary defense mechanism and it is an unconscious mechanism. 15th question. I don't cry because my wife can't bear it. It is an example of suppression, undoing, rationalization, reaction formation. Here the right answer is rationalization. I don't cry because my wife can't bear it is an example of rationalization. Okay, so justification of his ideas, actions or feelings. 16th question. Unconscious shifting of feelings such as hostility or anxiety from one idea, person or object to another. Unconscious shifting of feelings such as hostility or anxiety from one idea, person or object to another. Options: projection, displacement, compensation, substitution. The right answer is displacement. It is a process of shifting of the feelings or transferring of emotions from one source to a substitute. So that is known as displacement. Example: a teenaged son slams the door when he is told that he can't attend a party or any concert or something. So he is getting anchor and showing that anchor to some other things or to any people, family members or something. So that is displacement. Okay. 17th question. Unconscious application of the philosophy, ideas and customs of another person to oneself. Unconscious application of the philosophy, ideas and customs of another person to oneself. Options: projection, introjection, displacement, sublimation. Here the right answer is introjection. So it is the unconscious application of the philosophy and ideas of some other person to oneself. Example, psychiatric client who claims to be Moses. So what he tries to do is he grow long hair, wear blanket and sandals and read his Bible daily. So just like what Moses has did, he also tried to do that. So that is introjection, application of others' ideas and customs to oneself. 18th question. Unconscious demonstration of the opposite behavior, attitude or feelings of what one would normally show in a given situation is. Options: repression, regression, reaction formation, sublimation. Here the right answer is reaction formation, that is unconscious demonstration of the opposite behavior, attitude or feelings of one would normally show is. So the person is not showing the actual behavior but showing an opposite behavior in a situation. Example, man who dislikes his mother-in-law is but showing very politeness and courteous towards her. So showing that opposite behavior to that particular person. So that is reaction formation. Next question. Who first identified defense mechanisms as a way of protecting against anxiety? Options: Carl Jung, Sigmund Freud, B.F. Skinner, John B. Watson. Here the right answer is Sigmund Freud. So Sigmund Freud first identified defense mechanisms as a way of protecting against anxiety. Sigmund Freud is a person who identified defense mechanisms, first identified the defense mechanisms. Next question. Which defense forms basis of many other mechanisms? Options: repression, sublimation, projection, displacement. Here the right answer is repression. Repression, already it is told that it is a primary defense mechanism which is an unconscious process. It means that unwanted ideas or feelings are not allowed to reach the consciousness is known as repression. So that repression is the basis of many other defense mechanisms. Okay, so the primary defense mechanism is repression. So these are the important questions, important topics in defense mechanism which we find in psychology as well as in psychiatric nursing. So thank you for watching the video.
Tell me that you love me.